everyone, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. It's been a while, but we're back with a brand new recipe. Today we're going to be making a healthy pumpkin soup. Before that, head down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified every time we post a new recipe. Now I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about the health benefits of a pumpkin soup. So pumpkin is actually a very healthy vegetable and has many health benefits. I'm just going to go over briefly. You can read more online. So pumpkin regulates blood sugar, boosts fertility, improves immunity, and is great for the eyes. It also helps us lose weight and is good for skin and the heart. It also gives us better sleep, which is awesome, and you'll be able to sleep easily at night. It's also a good source of zinc and fiber. So this healthy pumpkin soup is very beneficial for your health and is really super easy to make. So let's find out how to make this awesome recipe. So here are the ingredients required for this simple healthy pumpkin soup. Here are the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, 1 green chili, 3 cloves of garlic. I've taken 1 small pumpkin here, just cut up briefly into small pieces, 1 onion that I've also cut up, and then lastly 1 tomato that I've cubed into small pieces. So now let's cook it. In a pan over medium heat, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use oil of your choice, any type of oil will be fine. And then let's add 3 cloves of garlic that I have chopped. You don't have to chop it finely, just chop briefly, it should be fine. So just saute that for a while until you smell the garlic, and then add your 1 onion and then saute it until it becomes translucent as always. Now the onions are nice and translucent. You can see that they're cooked really well and the garlic is also cooked. We're ready to add our next ingredient, which is our 1 tomato that we have cubed. So I'm adding the tomato now. So this part we don't have to saute until it turns mushy, just saute for a little while until the tomato cooks down a little bit, and then you can proceed to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I've cooked my tomatoes slightly. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaf and 1 green chili that I've chopped. I'm done sauteing all those things. Now we just add our main ingredient for this recipe, 1 small pumpkin. Just mixing it in well here. Now I'm trying to flip it like a chef. And it looks like all the pumpkin is gonna fly out of the pan. But I got most of it in. So now I'm going to also add salt. Add salt to your preference, as much or as little as you want. And then next we're gonna add pepper. So you can add as much seasoning as you want, however you like your soup to be, spicy, salty, any way you like it. Now this is perfect. I've added just the right amount of pepper, and then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. If you like your soup to be even more diluted, you can add even more water to this. So now we're just gonna let our pumpkins cook for about 10 minutes or so, should be perfectly fine. Look at that boiling, sizzling action of the soup. It's boiling really nicely. I'm just waiting about 10 minutes until the pumpkin is cooked, and then we can proceed to the next step. Okay, now let's open it. Whoa, there's so much fog coming out from the pumpkin. It's cooked perfectly. You may not even be able to see it. Hopefully you can see it a bit. Yeah, that's perfect. So now it's cooked really well. We can move on to the next step. So actually next we're going to grind this. So wait for it to cool. Don't grind it while it's hot. So I'm just going to add this to a blender and then grind it until it becomes a soup, I guess. Yeah. And that transition again. That's it. It's really nice grinded. So now there will still be some pumpkin chunks in this. Even as much as you grind it, there will still be. So it's best to strain it. You don't have to. You can serve it like this, but if you want it to be really smooth soup, just strain it with a sieve, and now it's ready to be served. That looks really good. You can garnish it with cashew nuts, anything you like. You can even top it with toasted pumpkin seeds. So that's our healthy pumpkin soup. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.